Hi, welcome to week two. Happy you made it through the first week. Hope you're feeling good about Canvas and comfortable navigating the class and kind of get a sense of the the rhythm of the class. So as we're going into week two, I want you to start thinking about your values. So what are your values? What is most important to you? So throughout this week, we're going to be talking about what's important to you. You'll actually take a values assessment. We'll talk about what values actually are, especially in relationship to career, and the difference between what we call intrinsic and extrinsic value. So we'll define those and you'll have a good sense of what those are, and you'll have a good idea of what your own values are and as they relate to work. You'll also have an opportunity to look at your values and use them to explore some careers and start using some of the resources that you're going to be using for your final paper. Really excited about this week, so hang in there and I will see you on the discussion board.